Let's talk about what's going on in America right now, because timing is everything. Americans have gone through so much over the past few years. We all know people, friends or family, who are living through financial close calls and tough times. Money and work are primary stresses for 76% of Americans. Wages and salaries have declined dramatically, and lending standards are getting tighter and tighter. Whether you want to buy a car, need a credit card, or need credit to buy almost anything else, lending standards are tightening. Worried and stretched consumers, impacted by the events of the past few years, are working hard to get access to shrinking availability credit due to these tightening lending standards. As a result, the financial services industry, which already represents 7.4% or $1.5 trillion of U.S. gross domestic product, is forecasted to experience record growth over the next few years. This also provides UWE with an unprecedented opportunity to help play a role in solving the biggest financial crisis to hit the average American family in our lifetimes. There's no debating that our financial health is a bigger priority than it's ever been before. UWE is a transformational lifestyle movement providing an exceptional platform to achieve financial wellness, practical approaches to wealth protection, and enriching business opportunities. In other words, at UWE, you get paid for sharing programs and services that everybody already needs. And not only does everybody already need it, everybody also knows people who need it. So, UWE created a word-of-mouth marketing program that allows independent agents and share in the growth of the company. You pay a one-time sign-up fee of only $299 to become an independent agent with UWE. As a new agent, you receive the opportunity to qualify for up to $100,000 in life insurance if you meet the eligibility requirement. No medical exam is required. Depending on your age, that benefit alone could cost you $50, $100, or even $200 per month. And it can be yours when you become an agent and continue your protection plan services. Now let's talk about the ways you can get paid through UWE. You can be paid 6 different ways. You can receive direct sales commissions, direct residual income, overriding residual income, customer acquisition bonuses, also known as CAB bonuses, infinity bonuses, and generational overrides. You can be paid weekly and monthly commissions. 2 of the 6 ways you can be paid are by referring customers who want to benefit from our services. And 4 of the 6 ways are by introducing independent agents to UWE and helping them to refer customers. UWE also wants to make sure that you don't have to worry about paying for your protection plan as you grow your business. When you participate in the Power of 5 program, if you have 5 active protection plan members at the end of each month, your personal services fee can be waived for the following month. Following through on our commitment to help people excel and share in success is more than just a motto. It's UWE's purpose for being in business. UWE supports a lifelong journey of collaboration and fulfillment, where every service included serves a purpose. A portion of each monthly payment is used to award scholarships to high school seniors and first-year college students through the Funding the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation. Over 1 million households have received services from UWE during our 17 years in business, and that has allowed us to donate millions of dollars in scholarships. By now, you probably find yourself thinking, I'm ready to go. I'd like to use this service to help secure my financial future. Or, I like what I see, and I also want to know more about how to get my monthly personal protection plan service fee waived. Simply get back with the person who shared this video with you. There's a saying here at UWE, we share, you decide, and we support. As an UWE agent, you'll get full access to our training video library, where you'll discover proven strategies all the top earners are using to build a successful business, and everything you'll need for massive growth in your business. We envision a world where people feel connected to opportunity again. We see that future as community-driven, and that begins with you. What if you could earn commissions, bonuses, trips, and incentives, and so much more? All by helping other people become the most financially fit they've ever been. When you achieve freedom from financial pain, life gets really exciting, and this can happen as fast as you take action. Your finances are your business. Helping you get started, get control, and get ahead financially is ours. Call the person who shared this video with you and thank them. The best company in the world just got better because of you.
Yeah, it's like my name's Wayne Drosky. I'm like owner of dumexperts.com. I do have a video channel on YouTube as well with the Rumble. The channel's name is Williams Home Business Central, and I do training for home business people that want to begin earning ways to earn money from home. And just check me out on my website there. Send me an email or comment any of my videos on YouTube and Rumble there. My name is William Drosky. Just remind you to shake the money tree and share this video far and wide there. If you look having someone that has business tips, ways to earn money from home, secret to success, and a whole bunch of more.